Good day, everyone. I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared this straw mushroom. Look at this. This is a straw. I call this straw mushroom. It's a fresh one. I just wash it, and I have my minced beef. Minced beef, you can do any kind of mince. We have mince, and you know this. This is ginger. It's a brown ginger, and I have one egg and some parsley and spring onion. This all my ingredients, and we make a simple and a quick, delicious, yummy soup. Okay, so first I have to cut into a small piece with this button mushroom. I was already, so look at this, how fresh is the button mushroom, but you have to cut it into like this, not too thick. It's more yummy when it's a thin one. You can cook into a stew, and this one you can do it also, especially when you put into a broccoli or any kind of vegetable. So yeah, and this is minced beef. I have to pour it in, and a little, we have to marinate into a small, I have to put, this one is corn flour, okay, and sesame oil, a drop, just a little bit, and my favorite, white pepper. Okay, white pepper all times good. White pepper and black pepper, it's quite different, so you must check it into the foods you want to use, which it's not fit for every foods. And I have to put a drop of an oil, and I have to mix it. Okay, but okay, so I have to add a little bit more, and a pinch of salt. Okay, my chopstick is more faster too. Now we have to heat a little bit oil, okay, not too much oil, just a little bit, and I have to prepare this for later after. Okay, I have my wooden spatula. Now just so actually you can just add some, at least half, but I have too much, but I need to cook oil, so I have to put it now. And okay, and add a pinch of salt with this. Okay, all right, not to mix too much, and I have to okay, so look at this. You have to mix it like this. We have to put a little bit boiling water, okay, and I have to transfer into this, okay. It's so easy. Now I have to add a little bit more water. Okay, all right. And just let the water boil, and I have to prepare this. Without this is not so delicious, so we have to prepare this parsley. The more parsley you have, the more delicious you eat. Okay, then look at this. I need one more. So just slow with the water I added. It's just boiling, so it's ooh la la. But it's okay. Okay, and I have to cut it, and okay, I need to cut into a very small. Okay. Now I have to prepare sorry. I have to prepare some corn flour for thickening, but I need to get some of my distilled water. I want distilled water for the okay, to dissolve and I have to prepare a little bit ginger. I have to okay, so this is without ginger is not so delicious, and it's the time for you to have a ginger taste. So we have to slice into a very thin slice. You have to put it, but the more you add, the more delicious you eat with the soup. And the soup like so if you haven't tried to eat this kind of soup, you may try it. Okay, I think this is enough. Now we have to add slowly with this salt. But if not enough, you may add more. You can try if I think it's not enough, so I may add more. I don't have now, not enough. But believe me, this one's so delicious. Okay. and we have to mix this one. So make it sure you have the right texture on it. And the shell is too thin, so easy. Look. So I have to add a pinch every time. You need a pinch of salt. Okay. Then we have to add this add slowly. Okay, just like a herb soup. Now you can slowly pour your beating egg, and you can mix it up. Then we have a good soup. That's it. So look at this. It's yummy, so yummy. Everything we have to put it there. So I give you I serve you a yummy and delicious soup. I call this quick soup, which the long soup is 2 hours to 3 hours. So this is just a quick soup. So look at this, and we have to add some white pepper. Then look at this. Thanks for watching, and see you again next videos. Thank you. Hope you like it. Try this recipe. Just yummy.